Has been sworn in as the new Mombasa Governor. Nasir took his oath of office at 11:30 a.m. during a colorful event at the Mama Ngina Waterfront Park in Mombasa. His deputy Francis Toya also took the oath of office. Let us now link up with our reporter Tobias Chanji, but first... Right, okay, of course, like I've said, Abdul Samad was sworn in earlier today in Mombasa County. Now, moving on to Kakamega, Fernandez Baraza has also been sworn in as Kakamega's second governor. He took his oath of office alongside his deputy governor, Ayub Savula. Let's just cross over there. Wycliffe Oparanya, the former governor, is talking. Let's listen in.
While developing the county structure, I had all those in mind. Ladies and gentlemen, the desire to have devolution realize equity in the sharing of natural resources still remains a pipe dream 10 years down the line. Despite counties receiving nearly only 15% of the constitutional equitable share, it has been demonstrated by the good work that counties are doing with this allocation is not sufficient to realize the objects of devolution. This little allocation has unfortunately been trickling to counties in trips after months of waiting. And as I speak now, this financial year, we have not received any cent from the national government. This low disbursement of county funds by the national treasury have not only derailed development and benefits to the people of Kenya, but also affected government, suppliers and contractors as financial institutions find them high interest rates for late repayment of borrowed loans. This state has occasionally led to counties nearly holding from offering essential services. It is obvious that there has been a slow acceptance of devolution by certain stakeholders. This has been witnessed by the common trend of retention of funds meant for devolved functions at the national government every end of the financial year. To date, counties are still struggling with payment of liabilities of the different local authorities, since no requisite budget has been allocated to settle those bills. These, among other challenges, have continued to hinder development at the grassroots. During my full two-term service as the chairperson of the Council of Governors, I relentlessly spearheaded efforts to make devolution the game changer in Kenya's journey to becoming among the first world countries. Ladies and gentlemen, despite this setback of devolution, Kakamega County stands tall in Kenya from the milestones achieved under my two-term tenure that has just ended as a governor. It will go into history that the first regime achieved various flagship projects. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank the people of Kakamega County for the good time you have given me in undertaking a smooth running of our county for the last 10 years.